So in this problem, we need to determine the equation of a circle that shares the same center as the circle defined by the equation. Meaning the two circles are concentric circles and the circle is going to have an area of 16 pi square units. So let's try to find out the equation of the circle. So we'll start with our given circle. So here we are given the equation of the circle. So that's 2x squared plus 2y squared plus 8x plus 10y minus 39 equals to 0. Now from the circle, we can extract two information. One would be the center of the circle and the other would be the radius of the circle. So let's do that by using the general form of a circle. So if we have a circle with center C and radius R, the general form of a circle is given by this particular form, which is x squared plus y squared plus 2gx plus 2fy plus c equals to 0. Then the coordinate of the center is given by negative half times coefficient of x. Now if we look at the general form, the coefficient of x is 2gx. So if we take the half of 2g, so that's going to be negative g, and similarly to find out the y coordinate, we'll have to take negative half times coefficient of y. That means negative half times 2f, so that's going to give us negative f. That means the center is going to be given by negative g comma negative f. And to find out the radius of the circle, then we use this particular formula, which is also given by square root of g squared plus f squared minus c. Fine. Now what we'll do, we'll have to rewrite a given equation in the general form. So we have here is the coefficient of x squared as 2, so is the coefficient of y squared. We need the coefficient to be equals to 1. What we'll do, we'll divide each terms with 2. So that gives us x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 5y minus 39 over 2 equals to 0. Now what we can say here, that we can compare it with the general form to find out the value of 2g. So that will be equals to 4. The value of 2f is going to be equals to 5. And the value of c is going to be negative 39 over 2. Now let's find out the value of g. So g comes out to be positive 2. F comes out to be 5 over 2. C is as it is. Since we need the value of negative g and negative f, so we'll multiply both sides to get negative g equals to negative 2 and negative f will be equals to negative 5 comma 2. So now we can define the center. So the center of the circle is going to be negative 2 comma negative 5 over 2. Now that we have the center, what we need is the information regarding the radius. We're given that the radius of the circle, the area of the circle is going to be 16 pi. So we have the area, not the circle, not the area of the circle that is given to us, but the area of the circle which we need to find out is going to be, we know that's pi r squared, so that's equals to 16 pi. Meaning r squared is going to be equals to 16, so our radius is going to be 4 square units. Now we have the information regarding the center as well as the radius. We can use the standard form of a circle to obtain the equation of the required circle. So let's first specify the standard form of a circle. If we have a circle whose coordinate of the center is given by h comma k and the radius of r, then the standard form of a circle is given by this particular equation, which is x minus h whole squared plus y minus k whole squared equals to r squared. Now in our case, we have already defined the center, so that's negative 2 comma negative 5 over 2. Now let's write it down. We have negative 2 comma negative 5 over 2, meaning the center of the circle, which has the coordinate in the standard form given by h comma k, so that came out to be negative 2 comma negative 5 over 2. So we can immediately define the value for h and the value of k. So h is negative 2 and the value of k, so that's negative 5 over 2. And we have also found out the radius. So radius came out to be 4 units. Now we can use the standard form of the circle. We have x minus h, so h is negative 2, so we have x plus 2 whole squared added to y minus k, so k will be plus 5 over 2 whole squared. Now that's equals to square of the radius, so that's 4 squared. This is the standard form of the circle, and if we want, we can expand it to get the general form. So the final answer would be x squared plus y squared plus 4x plus 5y minus 23 over 4 equals to 0. What we can do, we can multiply throughout with 4. we get 4x squared plus 4y squared plus 16x plus 20y minus 23 equals to 0. So this is going to be the general equation of a circle whose center is concentric with another circle whose center is also -2, -5, -2, and its equation was given to us.